How to enable Facebook share button. So go ahead and open your Facebook application. And now let's head into one of my posts to see if the share button is available. As you can see, this status of mine has a share button, but this one doesn't have it. And the only difference between these two posts is the privacy settings. This one with the share button is available to public, while this one is uploaded in an album that is set to only me. Now to make the share button appear, simply click on the edit album since this is an album. If this is a simple status, just click on edit post. Now what we have to do is to change its privacy to friends or public, and then click on save these changes. Refresh your page, and then the share button should now appear. Now if this didn't work, it could be inside the settings of your profile itself. So go to the menu with the three lines icon, and then scroll down to the very bottom. Click on the settings and privacy, and then select settings. Scroll down in here, click on profile and tagging, and make sure that everything under viewing and sharing is set to friends or public. And then last is to turn this allow others to share your post toggle. After that, your share button should now appear. So that is how to enable Facebook share button. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.